In 1942, George Louis Borges wrote a short story named Funes the Memorious. It's literally about a guy who remembers every single leaf on every tree he ever saw in his life. He memorized everything perfectly, but because his brain was so obsessed with exact details, he couldn't understand general concepts. He couldn't even realize that a dog seen from the front is the same dog seen from the side. This is exactly what we define as a bias-variance trade-off in machine learning. If an AI model gets too complex, it acts like fumes. It memorizes the training data perfectly, but fails miserably at new test data, which is pure overfitting. The error goes down and then shoots right back up, like a U-shape. But of course, because my brain operates on a much higher frequency, I didn't stop there. I kept digging. So, a massive 2019 research paper by OpenAI researchers, they proved that this sacred rule is actually flawed. They discovered a mathematical magic trick called the double descent. They found out that if you make the model ridiculously huge, giving it millions of parameters, it passes the overfitting phase. It crosses what we call the interpolation threshold, which is the place where the error is basically zero. At this point, the model has much extra capacity. It stops memorizing like fumes and starts finding smooth, simple mathematical functions, meaning that the error curve drops sharply again. As we said, the double descent. Anyways, the AI just magically figures it out when we give it infinite space to mess around. And also notice that we forced AI to read millions of books and research papers to get smarter, while we literally just watch 60-second shorts and hope to become geniuses. And don't forget the like and subscribe. Mwah. See you!